everyone, so we're back with another tutorial. It is festival season, well coming up to, so we're going to show you a really cute festival style. So I've kind of decided today that it's like a kind of like loose boho type vibe. So we haven't gone with a curler, we've gone with a waver. Just using my waver, any waver will do, or you could just braid the hair the night before, that's fine. So you're just clamping down, lifting up, moving down one, all the way down. It's kind of giving that lovely kind of beachy look to the hair. So I've done this all the way through the hair. That is the wave all in, and look how much texture and volume that's given to the hair, and we are ready to style. So we're just going to take this hair up, but again, we don't want it to be like too perfect, so just use your fingers. I'm just going to come from just behind the ear, and I'm just going to kind of drag my fingers through this hair really roughly. Same on the other side. So once you're happy with the front and how it looks, I've left some face framers. We are going to do a little detail down the front. I'll show you afterwards. You're just going to place this up. It can be with a hair tie, bobble, grip, whatever you want. I'm going to use a little butterfly clip. So next, I want you to take a random piece of hair from round the back, and nothing more complicated. We are just going to braid it down. So just as fast as you can. You can make it a little bit chunkier, a little bit smaller, whatever you want, but I'm just going to braid this right down. So I'm just popping a little elastic at the bottom here. Once that's in, it's just going to lay straight across the front there. So these are little gold shells that I bought from Amazon, and then I got some kind of copper thin wire and just loop that through, and I'm just going to put 3 of these just going down this braid. So you're just kind of pushing these through, twisting the wire, and any way you think they look good. I'm just going to put 3 in, but you could definitely kind of go for it and put more in if you wanted to. So next I bought some like really fine like pearls, again from Amazon. I've taken a really small strand of hair and we're going to put that hair. So next I bought some like really fine like pearls, again from Amazon. I've taken a really small strand of hair and we're going to put that hair over the top like that. Go right the way as far as you can to the root, and then simply start to braid as though it's 3 pieces of hair. So it's nothing more complex than over and over, over, and just keep braiding all the way down. So just look how pretty this is. It's just literally a 3-strand braid, nothing more complex. Just incorporating this 1 strand of hair all the way through until the hair runs out. So I'm just going to pop a little elastic here and then just cut the ends off these pearls. And then I've just done a few more down the side here, and then I'm going to come to the front and just kind of half up these face framing bits, just on one side though. So I've just used half the hair, and again I'm just going to braid down and then secure with an elastic. And then on this one, I'm just going to come in, I think, just with the 1 little shell just near the eye line. Just twist that into place, making sure there's no kind of like sharp edges or anything. So I've added in 2 on each side, but I just think it's really subtle. You can go all out. You could add way more than I have. I've just put one there, but look how pretty it is with the beachy wave. We've gone for golden pearls. You could do silver, you could do a natural shell.